My name is Aziz, and in today's topic we will discuss how to open a SketchUp file and the initial settings of a SketchUp file in your PC. So basically, when you open a version of SketchUp 2020, this would be the initial tab that will be opened, and you will see the following templates. That is, one is simple, that is in inches, architecture simple in meters, architecture in millimeters, architecture in centimeters, architecture in meters. So we will go with architecture inches, and then for some seconds we have to wait, and then this will be the initial user interface of SketchUp. So basically I will give you the detailed tour of all these things. First one is the tab of file, and when you will open it, it will give you these options. One is for control, and that is new from template, and that will be shortcut for opening, that will be a shortcut for save, and in another format if you want to save a file then you will use it. This is a template, and layout is another software that is attached with SketchUp. If you want to send that in layout, then it will be used. This one is the geolocation. This one is the geolocation. If you want to give location, exact location of your drawing, then you have to use it. This one is a 3D warehouse, in which you get all these components, and the basic ideas of all those components and the extensions for SketchUp. This will be used for import. This will be used for export, 2D model and 3D model. This will be the print setup manager. This will be the print preview. This will be the print, and this will be the generate report. Next one is edit, and in this you will see the following details. First one is delete guides. This is the shortcut for selecting all. This is the invert selection, and unhide and unlock. In this tab you will see that if you want to open all these open all these tabs in your drawing, then you will directly click it and it will be automatically opened. But I don't want to open it, so that's why I will don't use it. For opening all those tabs, you have to go to tab, and then you just have to simply check those options that you want it to be opened. For example, I will open view, and it will be the view. I don't want to open it, so I will close it and then close. Fourth one is the camera, and it will give you standard views, that is top, bottom, front, back, left, right, ISO, parallel projection, perspective view, two perspective view, match new photo, and these are the options that will be used for orbiting your 3D model in SketchUp, and this will be used for positioning camera, and this will be walk through camera, and this will be for look around. Draw, it will give you the basic techniques that will be used for making 3D model. This is lines, arcs, shapes, and box. Tools, it will give you the details of the tools that are in our large tool set here. So basically this is the option that will be used by this window. These are the default tray managers and manage trays, and this will be the model info. that it will give you model info. It will tell you about your animation, classifications, components, credits, dimensions, fine, your location, rendering, statistics, text, units. So we will use it for our units. That's it. And then last will be the help, and it will sign in to your SketchUp program in a SketchUp Trimble account. So basically this is all the basic user interface of all these properties. And first one is the select, second one is the paint bucket tool, that if you want the 3D model to be painted, then this will be used. This is for erasing, and if you want to erase a line, then you will use it. This one is the line, this one is the freehand tool, this one is the rectangle, this one is rotated rectangle, this one is the circle, this one is the polygon, this one is the arc, this one is the 2-point arc, this one is the 3-point arc, this one is the pie, this one is used for move, this one is used for pushing and pulling of your object, this one is used for rotate, this one is used for follow me. This is one of the command that will be used for making moldings and grooves in your elevation design. This one is scale, this one is offset, this will be used for measuring dimensions. These are the dimensions. This will be a protector that is used for making right angle line or 90 angle line. This one is the text, this one is the axis, this one is the 3D text that will be used, this one is the orbit, this one is a pen, this is zoom, and this is zoom window, this one is the zoom extent, and these are basically the camera settings that we will use in our 3D modeling. Finally, we will go towards these tabs. This one is a default tray. First, it is the entity info. When you will open it, it will give you, if you want anything selected, it will give you entity info. These one are the types of materials that we will use for our drawing, for making renders, and these are basically all these materials that we will use in our drawing or 3D model. And third one are the components, that these are all those components that we had used in our 3D model, like fixtures, like beds, tables, doors, windows, and basically all those interior components or fixtures that we will use in our 3D model. These are the styles. If I want to change a style, then style of my drawing, then this is the style that you will see it in our window. This is the default style, but this one is the hidden line, this one is the landscape architectural style. I will go with this style because I like it. These one are the tags. Basically, these are the layers that we will use in our 3D model. These are the shadows. These are the settings for shadows for displaying in our drawing, or displaying sun shadows in our drawing in our 3D model. These are the scenes. These are basically the scenes that when you want to make an animation, then this will be very helpful for you. These are the instructor. This is basically the operating mechanism of SketchUp File.